What's up guys, good afternoon and welcome back to our channel. So it's currently 2:30 in the afternoon. We are in Richmond. I'm having my appointment for my photo rejuvenation thingy. So it's my last, I think it's my last session now guys, because I had a total of 5 sessions and I'm down to my last one, so that's what I'm doing right now. Paris is sleeping, as you can see in the back there, and Mimi, can you say hi? Yeah, so guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave them in the car. I'm gonna leave the car on as well, and because I won't be too long. I think it only takes like 10 minutes or 15 minutes maximum. So I'm just gonna go in there, and if ever Paris wakes up me, you can just, Minga, you can just go out. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys when I get in there. So hey guys, I'm back. Guess what? We didn't do anything. I went in, waited there for a few minutes, and then the lady told me that there's something wrong with the machine, that they have to change the fuse or something. So the technician is on its way, whatever you call it, technician, electrician. He's on his way to come and fix the machine. So she said she doesn't know what I want, like if I'm willing to wait, or she can rebook me. And you know what, like seriously, it's not a biggie guys. So I just said, yeah, we'll just do a rebook. It's not the end of the world, it's just one session of your photo rejuvenation, and it's nothing. So she looks so worried, and it's like, oh, I'm so sorry, I don't know, like, can you wait? Or because he said he'll be here in 5 minutes, and I said, like, look, no dramas at all, I'll rebook, and then we'll look at the dates. And she said I can rebook you for next month, 10th of August, Saturday, because I always do Saturday guys. Obviously I work Monday to Friday, so I don't have time during the weekdays. But yeah, 10th of August is fine, so that's what I'm gonna do. Oh well, I was so excited for today's session, but can't change it. So just back in the car now. Paris is still sleeping, so yeah guys, it's not, sometimes there are things that you can't really control, right? So that's something that, it wasn't her fault at all. So I didn't make a big deal, just said like, okay, that's fine, don't worry, we'll just rebook. Because we have to drive here guys, like it's 40 minutes drive, and for me to get there and just set, and they just tell me that I won't be able to get my session today. It's not fun, but what can you do, right? So anyways, change plans. So now just in the car, probably
need food.
Yeah, did you hear that guys? She's hangry, like hungry and angry at the same time. Yeah, so we're just gonna go to Victoria Garden shopping center. So because I want to go to Ikea guys. I've been looking for a cube storage for my shoes, and we're not far because we're in Richmond now, and from here I think it's another 10 minutes drive. So we're just gonna go there and get something to eat first, and then check out Ikea. So yeah, see you guys. We're here now guys, Victoria Gardens. Hey honey, Paris. Mak, ano yung buhok ko, Mak? Ay, ang kimpit. Come on. Careful. Good job. Let's go eat first. So we're just gonna go to the food court, guys. Yay! Gonna get something to eat. Are you hungry? hungry? Abig si Paris, ipangatahan. Yes, Paris. What would you like, Mac?
What's in here?
Oh, they've got Chef Legenda, Mac. We've got Vietnamese.
Yeah.
We've got sandwiches. Oh, I got pork cracker here too. Huh? Oh, naka-remember. I dili dito.
Man kaya tanay, balik nga ni sa unang sa Epping.
Kasi yan eh.
This one, diba?
So we got pork tacos, guys. And we're at Chef Legenda. Just gonna grab, I think Mimi wants fried rice and honey chicken. So, if we're small, it's $10.20. Paris! Paris! She just woke up.
Want this one?
No? Say hi. Want this? Careful, huh? Hey, who's eating? What have you got in there? We got fried rice and honey chicken, guys. Wala ko na tao. Wait na. Ito at tanong sa kasunis. Wala siya ganahin itong kutsara, Mak.
Law mo mga keto para niya. Lang kayo, di mo abot aglisudan kay ko na.
Good girl.
Ano ang fish niyo?
Hi guys. Welcome to Ikea. Ito, mag-what idea. Welcome to Ikea in Richmond, guys. We've got so much in here. Come on. Oh, may mga accessories. This is really good. It's for your jeans. Ano para sa mga accessories mo? Paris? Bilang ganyan niyo? Careful. So this one is nice. You can keep your stuff behind those glass doors. It will look really cute, but that's $250. So maybe not yet. Let's find something cheaper. Oh, how cute is this, guys? Soft. Oh, touch it. Nak, nak, oh, anak. Wow. Wow. She doesn't care. Oh, it's got so much stuff here, guys. It's crazy. I love this shop. Come on. Come on. Guys, we've got so many options here. That one's really nice. Wow. Oh, goals.
You want she?
Yeah, I know.
Prada?
How much? 500.
500.
Have a look at the little one there. It's too busy. Paris? So it's $500. It's beautiful though. Can you open it? No. So we were thinking of this. This is $99. Oh, but you can only put 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just 4 handbags and some accessories. That's about it. Mark, maybe we can take this. No, I don't know. Taas man siya, Mark. This one is nice too, guys. See? But it's $300. No, 50 ra mong budget. Pertahan lang siya taman. Pertahan lang taman. Handle na ba ka?
Ano na? Shot,
Wala, marang lula nga ako na.
Dili, murag ka ng lubnganan.
Come here. Oh, this one. This is so good too, guys. See? I think there's 25 cubes. That's $230. Or we can also get this one, which is $200. It's only 16. But I don't think it's going to fit in the area at home. I'm gonna need smaller than this. See, so we need something just like this one here. But I want something that is higher than this, like taller. This is, yeah, 147 centimeters. Guys, that's my height. 147. But yeah, and that is $95. That's something that we can, I think we can do. But while we're here, we'll just keep looking around and
Kung makapay ta karon og less than $50, ako ang sukli.
ala, sure jo.
Naor na gila dito na.
Unsa?
$40.
Where?
Here.
This one?
Yeah, this here. Yeah, but market is
Wow, that's so cute.
70 na siya.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
No, I think that's
70.
that bit.
No, this one.
Is this one?
Siya 40. I think that will do.
No, the thing is, I think it's very, the width is narrow.
Or this one. That's 70. Oh, girls, which one?
See this one, like if you put the bag in here, magbitay yung dari ba? I don't think. But guys, it's $40. That's cool. I think that's.
Okay naman na, oy. Wako lang. Ang ano di man punta ng bag paana. Ano
180. I think yeah, that's perfect actually. No? 40. It's good. Have a look at the other one there.
See?
Sample na siya guys. Oh. Paito na rin na, ma'am. Sa stock lang na siya guys.
That's my work.
Yeah.
Kinani, uy?
But
Like 1,
can we bring
2,
it down?
3, 4, 5. Yeah. I will
The
see
Billy is really good.
This one?
Mm.
I think
Kasi-
okay
kasi
siya kilid sa
see?
cabinet, no?
Because you can have a look, you can adjust the shelves.
This one?
Yeah, customize it. Yeah, I think this one is really good. And this is the perfect. Oh,
70 ra siya.
Siya mo.
202 centimeter. Yeah.
Bigot na nada. Now. Yeah, I think the Billy Mac.
Billy? Okay, may pili si Billy.
Ano si Billy? Ay, kahapon man to si Billy.
Pili ko si Mike.
Kahapon nagdaan. This one is cute. Oh, this one is nice too, Mark.
55? 55 centimeters.
Ah, guys, naghanap eh. Ano guys? Uy, kabuang, guys.
Ano natin yun? Uy, nabenta.
But I wanna take it home now. I don't think it's gonna fit in the car though.
Dili, jud ni siya mo. Ay, oo.
No? Taas man kaayo.
Kung dismantle, taas kayo, no? Bisag, ay, narabay sulod ang boot.
So guys, I think this really suits with what we need, guys. Because see, you can get extra shelves according to your needs. So for example, if it's for my shoes, then obviously they're not gonna take much space. So, you know, we can just get more shelves. Maybe, you know, one here, one there. Yeah, I think this is perfect.
Or, upat lang kayo nga niyo for bags.
Yeah, true.
Then, there's shoes.
Yeah. Guys, I think we found the one.
Paitan
Diana.
naman ako'y commission kung kanil pa ito.
Commission, ikaw mag-ayos na. Paris! What are you doing? So Tita is paying for the parking, guys. And Paris is just walking around like a boss. So yeah, guys, we didn't get anything from Ikea because unfortunately it would be too big for the car if we get it. Yeah, I think the pricing is really good for what we need. I think it's really gonna work. But yeah, it's very unfortunate. And we asked for how much is for delivery, and guess what, guys? It's the same price as the bookcase. So the bookcase was $70, and the the delivery is also $79. So go figure out. I don't think I'm prepared to do that. What we've done, we just went on a marketplace, Facebook marketplace. So we've seen one there that is for sale. It's actually two, and it's for sale for $54. So I messaged the lady, and she's not very far from us too, guys. So yeah, I asked if we can go and check it, and she said it's fine. So that's where we're going now, guys. Come on, honey. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Tita. Yee. Careful. Oi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We're going. Hi guys, we're home now. It is 6:30, Mark. Here's Mimi. Here's Paris. Hi. Careful with that one, Lucky. So yeah guys, we went to North Melbourne to check that bookcases that we found on Facebook Marketplace. I liked it, so I bought it, guys. And you know, it's the same thing as the one in Ikea. You know, the one that we looked at earlier today. It's just, you know, that the only difference is that it's secondhand, right? But guess what, guys? So with these bookcases, they're moving out, guys. That's why she's selling them. There's 2 bookcases for the price of $54. So yep, straight away I paid for it. And yeah, she was so nice too, guys. So instead of like so it's $54, she said, you know, just give me 50, that's fine. So yeah, it was amazing. I think it was a great buy. But now this is the funny thing, guys, because they're too heavy, right? So I think like each bookcase weighs 40. Excuse me, guys, someone's very noisy. Someone's on the phone.
Can I
See?
talk to Paris?
She's talking. She's talking on the phone.
Can I talk to Paris, please?
So yeah, guys, they are so heavy, and also they are big because they're already assembled. So we would need a ute or with maybe a trailer. Unfortunately, we don't have those, guys. So we need to get someone to get them picked up and delivered here at home. Luckily, we've got this app here in Australia that we use called AirTasker. So you know, you can post the task that you want done, and you know, you can put your price and the date that you want it done and everything. So I put it there for $60. God, yeah, so it means, yeah, it just means, guys, that I paid more for the delivery than the, you know, compared to what I paid for the 2 bookcases, which is fine, you know, because that's how it works. I think I saved a lot from, you know, the bookcases. So oh well, you know, what can you do? You need it delivered, you have to pay for it. So the first guy who actually offered who wants to do the job offered me $99 to do it, and I said, you know, is it possible to, you know, stretch it down to $70, because, you know, I think that's the highest I'd go for the delivery. Yeah, because if we buy it from Ikea, guys, $70 a minimum. So it's, yeah, it's the same thing. So I said yes, that's fine. They're going to pick it up from North Melbourne at 7:30 tonight, so in an hour time. And then I think it will take maybe 20 minutes from North Melbourne to where we are, West Footscray. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited because it's getting delivered tonight. Yeah, so all in all, it'll be $50 and $70. So for the 2 bookcases, I paid $120, which is fine because how much is brand new, Mark? Oh yeah, $70 for 1 bookcase. So still, you know, I still save. So yep, win-win. And yeah, we're just waiting for them to, you know, get here, and then we'll organize upstairs. So guys, it's here. Oh my god, have a look. So that's just the cabinet by itself, and the shelves are there. We just finished bringing it up here, guys. Oh god, it was tiring. They're too heavy, but yeah, I think it looks good. I can't wait to actually, you know, get them all done and put all my bags and shoes there. Have a look. These are the screws. It's Here's the see guys, it's adjustable so we can adjust the shelves. I'm so happy with it. Very happy, very happy with it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you the final look when we're done with it. Guys, I'm so satisfied with this one. Guys, it's very tall too, guys. See? Oh, hi. God, like we're sweating a little bit. It's freaking heavy. But yeah, that's what it looks like. We have to clean it up a little bit. And see, you can get a bit of an idea how tall it is. Look at Mimi. Yeah.
I'm 147
Yes, we're both 147 centimeters. We are vertically challenged people. And yeah, we'll start fixing the shelves and everything, and then we're gonna show you guys later on. I'm so excited. So I just turned on my vanity lights, guys, so we have enough light in the room while we're doing this. Oh my god, guys, so we will I think we're going to end the today's vlog, guys, here, because I'm too excited to, you know, get these finished, and you know, all the shelvings, and you know, we're gonna put my bags and my shoes and everything there. So yeah, stay tuned guys, because I'm going to vlog and show you guys later on in our next video what it looks like, you know, the final result and everything. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching today's video, and please hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family, and yeah, like this video too if you do, and yeah, don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. See you later guys. Bye. Bye. Palangga ko ng mga guys, very supportive. Char, gwapa ka siya today.